Hey Xiaomi users, you may have already changed a few battery settings, but chances are you have missed some important ones. I have been using these settings on my Turbo 5 and you can apply them on almost any Xiaomi, Redmi or Poco device. So let's get started. Open the Security app, then go to Manage Apps. Here some apps are enabled by default and can start running automatically in the background even when you are not using them, which can slowly drain your battery. So simply turn off background auto start for apps that don't need to run all the time. Another battery setting that many Xiaomi users miss is background data usage. Open the settings menu, then go to more connectivity option. Then data usage. Here many apps keep using mobile data in the background even you are not using them. On a 5G network, this can drain your battery even faster. So disable background data usage for apps that don't need internet all the time. Also don't forget to check the system apps and disable background data for apps that don't need it. Another setting that is easy to miss is device scanning. Here you will find a few options that keep scanning your device in the background. Individually they don't make a huge difference, but together they can use extra battery over time. So if you don't use these features, simply turn off, such as printing, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth scanning, wireless display, and finally device scanning under Google services. There's one more section that most Xiaomi users never check: location services. Here you will find several location services enabled by default, which can also drain your battery in the background. So if you don't use them, turn off. One more thing, some apps don't need your location all the time. So if you find any unnecessary app, simply turn the location permission off. You can always turn it back on whenever you need it. If you are using third-party themes, here's a small tip for you. As you know, I share lots of third-party themes on this channel that we install using backup or MTZ. Many users like keeping AOD enabled, but if you are using a third-party theme, I would recommend keeping AOD off. If you are using the stock theme or a theme store theme, you can keep AOD enabled. One more thing I would also recommend keeping off: live wallpaper, as Xiaomi has included this feature by default, but in my experience its optimization still isn't the best and it can also contribute to battery drain over time. There's one more display setting that many Xiaomi users never optimize. A 120Hz refresh rate definitely makes your phone feel smoother, but not every app actually needs it. Apps like calculator, calendar, camera, messages, emails, and many more work just fine at 60 Hz. So keep 120 Hz only for the apps that actually need it. This helps reduce unnecessary battery drain without affecting your daily experience. Before we finish, here's a bonus tip for you. Every night before going to sleep, turn on focus mode and battery saver, or simply schedule both of them according to your sleep time. This helps reduce unnecessary background activity while you are not using your phone, which can also reduce idle battery drain overnight. Try these settings for a few days and you should notice better battery backup in your daily usage. As battery performance still depends on how you use your phone, but these settings can definitely help reduce unnecessary battery drain. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more Xiaomi tips, customizations and useful hidden settings like this. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one. Till then, keep exploring.